everyone. This is from my recent Dollar Tree haul. A little soap dish and a lotion dispenser. So I've made a design and we're going to add our Hts adhesive to it. I'll be back with you in just a minute. Thanks. Okay, I thought you might like to see my design thought process, such as it is. So these are my two colors, and this is ribbed. So the colors I thought about using on this are this beautiful bluish greenish color, and this is all of our HTS matte. This hologram, silver hologram. Then we also have a flat silver matte and a pink hologram, as well as this wonderful pattern. So I'm going to start with the pattern and the blue because I think that will give us the most contrast. And we're going to put an image on this, and also I have about maybe a ½ inch around this to put something on. Okay. To begin my design, I typed in the word sister in Cricut Design Space and chose the font Arial Rounded MT Bold. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Then I downloaded a heart from Shapes and sized it to the size I thought I might be using it. I duplicated that heart and resized the new heart to be smaller, and then I selected all, used the align button and centered it. Then I selected all again and went into slice and removed the middle of that heart so I could make an outline of a heart. I liked the way this looked, so I decided to keep with the heart theme and made some more hearts and sliced out the middle, and I used those to make the border for my soap dish. Once I had my border design created, I hid all of the little outlined hearts and attached the black ones, and then I did the same to the outlined hearts. By attaching them, it would make it easier to cut on my Cricut mat. Then I went into Color Sync and moved all of my images onto a single pink mat and moved them around how I wanted to cut it. And I think I'm going to change this. Right now it's in vinyl, but I think I'll change it to iron on. And remember, with adhesive vinyl, you put it in pretty side up and you do not mirror. Okay. I have to remember that I'm going to put lotion in this, so it's going to be, I'll probably use a white lotion so it'll show up a little even better than having it clear. All right, we're gonna work with our Tweety Light, which makes everything so much easier. And it's the back side of our adhesive vinyl that's nice and sticky. And you know, these Tweety lights that we sell, they have batteries that you can change if they ever go out, but you will get a lot of time with this. Okay, now that we have everything weeded, we're just going to burnish our images onto our transfer tape. Okay, sometimes when you're taking this stuff off, you have to kind of nudge it off. But it looks perfect. So these are our separate pieces. And as you know, I just eyeball things. But these little ridges on here are pretty nice because they're pretty easy to line this up like this. Now, I made the design thin enough to where it's going to be easy to get off and tuck into these ridges. If it was one big piece, it might be a little bit harder. So I'm just squeegeeing or burnishing it down with my thumbs. You could also use a squeegee if you want. Doesn't hurt. This Hts adhesive is so great for this. Now, as always, when you have these tiny dots for eyes and J's, take your time when you're removing that. All right, now for the soap dish. Perfect. Okay, for $2 worth of product and a couple of dollars worth of adhesive vinyl, if that much, makes a pretty nice little gift. I'm gonna put some lotion in it for my sister. I'm putting my sister's favorite hand lotion in it, and I'm just using a funnel, obviously, and getting it down with a spoon. All right, here is our soap dish and our little hand lotion dispenser. So much fun, and I think they're kind of cute, don't you? Thanks, everyone.